For the side vents, I'm going to show you how we went from this to this step by step. One of the first things that we have to do is remove the whole bumper. You can't get around trying to just remove the side vents. Remember, we have some clips on the top, we have 10 screws on the bottom, and on my case we have 2 connectors. Now that the bumper is off, I'm gonna have the opportunity to investigate these little aluminum strips coming out from the right side vent. I took my car previously to the dealer, and they said there was nothing, it was just debris, and they just vacuum, and that was it. But now I saw those strips again. Now that I have the bumper off, we're gonna see what's going on. And there it is. As you guys can see, that piece of sticker, that's the electromagnetic tape, was pulling off. Hence, those pieces were coming up from the right vent. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the side vents. Has 2 screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. These are of course pretty easy to remove. And then we have 2 clips, same thing, one on the top, one on the bottom. Now that the vents are off, we send it for painting, and now I'm gonna take the opportunity and change the electromagnetic tape. And I'm going to replace the electromagnetic stripe right here, because this part was coming off, getting through the vent, and I don't know why. So we're gonna remove this and put a new one. It has to look exactly like that one over there. Well, let's go ahead and do that part first, and after that we're gonna go ahead and assemble the new pieces that we have already painted. Okay, so I removed already the tape molding. We have the new one right here. That's the part number. And as you can see, there's a strip right here, tell you exactly where you're gonna put it. So what we're gonna do is I use a little bit of for surface prep. Now we're gonna use our heat gun. It's time to place our tape molding. I'm gonna go ahead and place them back. This part right here is going this way towards you. Just click on it. Same for this way, click. Now gently we're going to just slide. Okay, we don't have an intercooler on the left side, we have the intercooler on the right side. And because of that, this part goes right here, attached to the clips. And that's it. It's gonna go with these 2 little plastic thingies. On the GR Corolla we have this extra inner cooler. It's located on the right side of the vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum this area, same of the intercooler and the radiator as well. Now we're gonna proceed to place the bumper. Gotta go really easy and gentle. You don't have to force anything. You just pretty much like snap on. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the attachments and the screws. Okay, so we hook up the bumper, and there's two connectors. That one right there, and there's this one right here as well. And this, we have this screw. It's a 10mm screw. It's gonna go there. You guys can see there's another one, and we have to place this screw. I already put the air intake. I developed this little piece, so there's connection between the funnel right here, and there's no gap. This as well, it's gonna go with little clips, one on this area, one here, and this little leg just go by itself. Okay, let's continue. And this is our final product. We have both vents painted in black. I think it makes like a nice contrast with the white. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like, please subscribe. See you soon.